In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view Stripe payout history. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, click on Balances. This will take you to the section where Stripe shows your available balance, pending balance, and payout activity. After you open the Balances section, find and select the Payouts tab. This tab displays the payout history connected to your Stripe account. On this page, you will see a list of payouts that Stripe has created for your account. These may include both completed payouts and payouts that are still pending. Take a moment to review the list. You can scroll through the page to see more entries and move through your payout history. This helps you check recent transfers as well as older ones. As you browse the list, pay attention to the payout status shown for each item. This makes it easier to identify whether a payout has already been sent or is still being processed. If you want to inspect a specific payout, click directly on that payout entry. This opens the Payout Details page. Here you can review important information such as the payout amount, the current status, the payout date, and the destination bank account where the funds were sent. This view is useful when you need to confirm the details of an individual transfer. If you are looking for a specific payout and the list is long, use the available date range or filter options. These tools help narrow the results so you can quickly find the payout you need. This is especially helpful when you are searching for a transfer from a certain time period or checking a particular payout status. Once you have opened a payout, review the transactions included in that payout. Stripe groups the related transactions together so you can see what activity made up the final payout amount. This can help you understand how the payout total was calculated. When you are finished reviewing the details, click back or return to the payouts list. From there, you can repeat the same process for any other payouts you want to review in your payout history. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.